Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in the shop today we've got the Thinline Telecaster, which we did a repair on the jack, but we are going to change this jack plate for a better version. It's got 2 screws and a threaded plate, much better than this one because I still find it's pretty loose. So this is the model. All right, got this off Amazon, pretty cheap, about maybe $15 or $20, but fairly cheap. So we're gonna set this all up and let's get started. Okay, so we can get access to the inside. Okay, so we can take the plate off. I try to use a little pliers and it should come right off. If not, we can take a hex key, but I think that should be fine. Okay, that's out. Now you see there's a plate here. Well, first we'll see, oh, here we go. We got another washer there. I'm going to see if this is able to screw on there. Oh, it does. Okay, so basically now that's going to give us a little bit more space. So I took off this washer and that's going to give us some more space for this. So this basically threads in here without needing to replace this because this jack is very good still. So we're going to put that in there. Actually, you know what? We're going to take this plate out altogether. Okay, by taking off the plate, if you can see that in there, we'll take that out. And maybe we'll just kind of get the whole plate in here. There we go. So now we can just kind of screw this in place like this. Okay. Well, now it's, you see it's sticking out too much. I don't know if you can see that. So that's sticking out too much. So we want it to kind of be like that. So which means we're going to give it a little bit of a space at the bottom. So that should be pretty good. So once we screw that in there like that, we're going to press it in pretty tight. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now it did come with some screws, okay, but I would say I'm going to just give it a little bit of a pilot hole, and then just on the side like that. Okay. And then that's really nice and tight, and this jack ain't going anywhere. Oh, that's great. That's perfect. So, we want to hear how it sounds? Sure. Let's plug this guy in. Alright guys, so that wraps up our video today here on changing the jack plate on the Fender Thinline Telecaster. So thanks for joining us here in the shop. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and join us for a lot more videos to come. And from all of us here at West Island Guitars, keep on playing, keep on rocking. Peace out.